Ladies and gentlemen, Patrick here, Jack McGee Chevrolet. Today we're in the new 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, and we're just going to be touching on our first experiences with this brand new pickup truck. So guys, literally just driving up the road here for the first time, I instantly am feeling the new 10-speed automatic transmission in this as opposed to the old transmission. Still an Allison, however, which is certainly a big win for all the loyal people that have been driving the Duramax trucks for some time. This is an SLT trim level, so it certainly comes with a lot of the features that you've come to expect. Certainly nice refinement with the all leather interior, the buckets, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, as well as the front and rear park sensors. Definitely nice. Navigational capabilities as well, and of course all the new trailering capabilities that are being offered with the new HD trucks to improve your trailering experience, which is of course why people predominantly buy these trucks. Quickly looking at the new mirror designs, they are phenomenal, and blind spot detection, certainly a nice touch as well. But just the instant response that you get upon pulling out with this truck, certainly not going to have any problem trailering the majority of things that people that'd be interested in it will. Up top here we do have the rear powered slider, as well as the pre-programmed garage door openers, which is nice as well. If you look in the back, you'll notice that we do have the two cubby holes on both exterior seats to store your goods as well. Do have the implementation of the ventilation for the second row, as well as the heated seats for the seats in question. When you look in the back of the box there, this does have the multi-pro tailgate, which is wonderful, as well as the fifth wheel prep package. Another big win, so that you don't have to send it out and have it aftermarket done. Another feature that I can't necessarily show, but worth mentioning, is the fisheye camera on reverse. Absolute monster. The field of vision that it provides, certainly nice. Now that we're actually at this red light, Joel, we'll have you zoom right at it here, and I can show you that. Look at that. That's outstanding. There's the box view, top down view. So continuing down here, guys, we got the heated seats, back and bum, as well as back 3 intensities for each. Ventilated seats as well. This is for driver and passenger. Exhaust brake, lane departure warning, the front and rear park assist, the automatic tailgate drop, hazard lights, traction off, power to that 400-watt plug that we've got in the box, as well as the hill descent control, trailer brake controller sitting there, our different USB connectivities, and of course the 110-volt. Wireless charging will fit even the large phones. Another big win. And overall, I mean, it's a joy to drive. I can absolutely drive across the country in this vehicle. So we are building up inventory quickly on these vehicles. If you'd like to discuss this 2500 HD or any other of our vehicles, check me out, www.jackmcgee.com or www.patrickforautos.com, 1053 CLONSILLA Avenue, Peterborougugh, Ontario, Canada. Thanks and have a great day.